Welcome back, students of class 4. Welcome to our e-learning class. Student, this is your English text class. Get ready with your Marigold book. As we are revising, in the last two classes we revised the poem Run. Today we will revise a story named Nasiruddin's M. Okay, so get ready with your book. Nasruddin aims. Nasruddin is a very clever fellow. Okay, he was very clever. As we find in our Bengali literature, in Bengali comedy, we find Gopal Bhar, same Nasruddin. Okay, so let's read the story Nasruddin's aim. One day, Nasruddin was chatting with his friends. So one day Nasruddin was with his friends, he was gossiping, he was chatting. He began to boast, "No one can match my skill in archery." So he was boasting, he was showing off to his friends that no one can match his skill in archery. That means he is a good archer. He wanted to show. "I string the bow, take an aim and shoot an arrow. Whoosh! The arrow is sure to hit bang on the target." He was saying that he is very good in archery. He just string the bow, take an aim and shoot an arrow, and it is sure to hit bang on the target. He was boasting, okay, in between with his friends. Hearing this, one of his friends immediately brought a bow and some arrows. So, on hearing this, one of his friends immediately brought a bow and some arrows. That means his friends also knew that he always shows off. Okay, so that's why, only to test his words, immediately one of his friends brought a bow and some arrows. Next paragraph. Giving them to Nasruddin, he said, "Here, Nasruddin, take this bow and arrows." So he gave the bow and the arrows to Nasruddin. Then, pointing towards a target, he said, "Aim at that target and shoot an arrow." So his friends, one of his friends who brought a bow and some arrows and gave these things to Nasruddin and told, "Aim at that target and shoot an arrow." That means, okay, prove your words. As you told, you are a very good archer, so show us. Okay. Nasruddin held the bow to his hand. So Nasruddin was getting ready with his bow, strung it, aimed at the target and shot an arrow. So he took the bow, he held the bow to his hands and he got ready. He just aimed at the target and shot the arrow. Whoo! The arrow didn't hit the target, so he failed. The arrow did not hit the target. Instead, it fell down somewhere in the middle. That means he missed the target, but before some minutes he told he was a good archer. He just whenever he shoot an arrow, it is sure that the arrow will hit bang on the target. But immediately he proves it is wrong. Okay, so ha ha ha, his friends started laughing. As he missed the target, he failed to prove his words. His friends started laughing. "Hey Nasruddin, is this your best aim? Is this your best aim?" So one of his friends asked him, "Okay, is it your best aim?" "Oh no, not at all," said Nasruddin, defending himself. Nasruddin was very much intelligent, very much clever. So only to make up that scene, what he told? He tried to defending himself and said, no, 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 not at all. This was not my aim. It was Azad's aim. Azad is one of his friends. So he said, no, 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 it's not my aim. I was just showing how Azad shoots an arrow. I just showed you how Azad shoots an arrow. Saying this, Nasruddin picked up another arrow. So after saying this, he took another arrow. That means he was again trying to aim the target. As he failed, first time he failed. But how he defended himself? He told, no, 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 it was not my aim. I was just showing how Azad shoots an arrow. Okay, this is a, okay, once again, saying this, Nasruddin picked up another arrow. Once again, he strung the bow, aimed at the target and shot the arrow. So second time he tried, he aimed at the target and shot the arrow. Okay. Students, today up to this, okay, read this story again and again. This story is very funny and very simple words are here. So if you face any difficulty, please tell me. Okay, thank you so much.